with your self introduction and about the topic.
So, Jai Hind everyone. My name is Nishu Yadav. I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. There are five members in my family. My father is a shopkeeper and my mother is a homemaker. I completed my intermediate from Career Vision Senior Secondary School and now I am pursuing graduation from RR Autonomous College. That's all about my qualification. And now, when we discuss my hobbies, then they are like I mostly use the playing cricket and do yoga practice. That's all about me. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve my nation, and it's given me adventurous life and the secure life. And now I'm coming on the today's GD topic, that is drone technology. As we all know that in this time the drone technology is mainly famous for the in every sector. Like when we talk about the in recent years, drone are small unmanned aircraft that can be controlled remotely by the pilot on the ground. That called drone technology. When the many people they are using the remote and after then they are the drone is flying in the air. That time it captures many images if we are going any marriage that time. And other way we can say that in agriculture and in defense sector there it is very useful. Like drone are very useful because when we
Next
all
candidate, Manoj Kumar.
Jane friends, my name is Munoj Zakad and I am from Rajasthan, Nagaur. I completed my 12th board from State Board and I am doing BSc in JNU College. My father is farmer and my mother is housemaking wife. Now come to the topic. Topic name is drone technology. At present time, technology is very useful for our nation because sometimes terrorists out of the country. So drone technology, we capture images and
Next candidate, Sagar Kumar.
Jain sir and my dear friends, my name is Sagar Kumar. I am from Samli, Uttar Pradesh. I passed class 12th from UP board. There are five members in my family. My father is a farmer, my mother is a homemaker. My hobby is playing cricket. My strong point is that I am hardworking. I want to join Indian Air Force because I serve the nation. Today I would like to speak on this topic. My topic drone technology. Drone technology is flying device which control mobile phone and remote. A drone is another name aerial vehicle. Drone technology is a part of artificial intelligence. It is cost effective. Today drone technology we use many fields. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Siddharth.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, candidates. My name is Siddharth Singh. I'm from Bharpur, Rajasthan, with students of Irade National First Century. I completed my 12th class from Baba Suri Vidyapeeth from Rajasthan board with 95 percentage, and now I'm pursuing my graduation in arts stream. In my family, my father is a policeman, my mother is a homemaker, and we are three siblings. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to discipline my life and also serve the nation as an airman. So coming towards the topic name is drone technology. As we know that drone is a device which is controlled by a person, and it can use in the areas where the man cannot do the great job. As the drone also known as flying vehicle or aerial vehicle, this can also be used in very form of sectors that decrease the human loads. And the demerits and merits we can talk in GD session. Thank you.
Next candidate, Rina. Next.
Jai Hind everyone, I'm Vijay Thakur. I'm from Mathura, UP, which is famous as the birthplace of Lord Krishna. I have passed my 10th and 12th from Govind Center Inter College. Nowadays, I pursue BA second year from Ambedkar University. My hobbies are I like to reading books and listening music. I want to join Indian Air Force because it will give me a secure life and as well as a golden opportunity to serve the nation. Thank you, friends. That's all about me. Now, friends, I'm coming to a G topic which assigned to us. And that G topic is drone technology. As you know, the drone technology is a part of AI. then by the drone technology we can easily deliver anything, and it is not only used in defense sector but also it is used for the delivery. It is a cost saving technology, and it is a controllable device which can easily control, but sometimes it also hacked, but it also easily hacked, and it also there is a privacy concern, and it also depend on the depend on the data, and sorry, depend on the device, and sorry.
रीना देखिए, जहां पर भी कोई भी कैंडिडेट हो, चाहे वो रीना हो चाहे और, जहां पर आपको ऐसा लगे कि मेरे से आगे कंटिन्यू नहीं होगा, उसको वहीं पे एंड कर दीजिए, बिना कुछ बोले, ना थैंक यू बोले हुए, ना ही सॉरी बोले हुए, आप उसी को वहीं पे रोक दीजिए। वो आपके लिए बेटर रहेगा। अगर आप उसको आगे कंटिन्यू करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं तो वो आपकी परफॉर्मेंस को खराब करता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट रवि कुमार।
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ray Prakash. I am from Sikar, Rajasthan. I have completed my 12th class from State Board. Now I am pursuing my graduation from State University. There are 9 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. We are 2 siblings. My hobbies are running and listening music. Now I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me an adventurous life and a disciplined personality. Now I come to the topic that is drone technology. Drone is a device that flies in the air and controlled by a human that is stand on the earth. Drone is a unnamed air vehicle. It is used by a AI system. A drone is also help the human for the delivering food and delivering medicine. Or the drone is also helpful for security reason. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट अजय गिल।
First of all, a very warm good evening to all that. My name is Ajay Gila. I am from Didwana, Rajasthan, which is famous for Salt Lake. If I talk about my qualifications, that I complete my intermediate exams in 2023 with 89%, and now I am pursuing BSc first year. If I talk about my hobbies, that I would like to play cricket and solve the mathematical puzzles. My short-term career goal is join Indian Air Force as an Agniviri, and long-term career goal is join Indian Air Force as an officer. So today we are going to discuss the topic about drone system. Drone technology also be very useful for all of us, as we know that drone also be used in many sector like defense sector and many marriage programs. That all the things are also be have merits and demerits. First I talk about the merits of drone technology. That drone technology are very useful and very costly as compared to human price. That before the 21st century, that humans also be charged very high for a drone technology, but at the present drone are very costly and it's be very useful for a war system. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट खुशबू। मोहित, अपना जो माइक है उसको म्यूट कर लीजिए।
First of all, Jai Hind everyone, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Khushbu Patel. I am from Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have passed 12th in 2023 and currently pursuing graduation from Nivedita Girls Degree College, Fatehpur. My hobby include dancing and reading books. My father is a government servant, and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I want to join IAF because it platform provide survey the nation. So today our topic is drone technology. Dear friends, in my opinion, this topic is related to drone technology. Is good or bad impact for a developing nation like India. Drone technology is a technology based on artificial intelligence. It is being used in many sectors. In defense sector, the role of drone has increased. Drone is being used in farming for spraying medicine and fertilizer. It is also used many industries. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट शिवम।
So, Jai Hind everyone.
My name is Shiv Kumar. I am 19 years old. I belong to Nevada in Bihar. I have completed my 12th with 17% marks and currently I am pursuing graduation from BBMKU Dhanbad. I have also done diploma in computer application. We are 5 members in my family, including my parents and my siblings. My father is a farmer and my mother is a perfect homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading newspaper. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a highly respectful job in our society. Moreover, it provides a chance to serve the nation. Coming to our G topic, which is assigned to us, drone technology. Technology is the great invention of the modern era, and there have also lot of advantage which is huge in the present era to the human beings. The first advantage is that it is also helpful for the look after on the any types of activities in the farming sector, in the delivery, and any of the thing. And many of the disadvantage which is come in front of us due to the invention of grand technology, which I would discuss in our group discussion. Thank you.
Next candidate, Vikas.
First of all, Jai Hind everyone. My name is Vikas Rajput and I belong to Jalon located in UP. I have completed 12th with PCM from UP. Now I am pursuing graduation from Bundelkhand University. My father, Mr. Ramkar, is a farmer and my mother is a house lady. Sir, my hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. That's all about me. Now come to the topics. Dear all friends, in my opinion, this topic is related to the brand technology. Drone technology is a technology on which artificial intelligence and it is a flying device which is controlled by the remote. It is used in many sectors. In different sectors, the role of drone has increased. It is used farming for the spraying medical and fertilizer. Also, it is used police to stop violence and loots. And it used parties and seminars and marriage and many companies it is used to transfer the food like Amazon and Flipkart.
Next candidate, Prem Kushwa.
Jai Hind friends, I am gonna tell about myself. My name is Hemant Kumar. I am from Bhojpur, Bihar, which is famous for Mahadevi Temple. I have passed my 12th in science stream and pursuing graduation from Veer Course University, Ara. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a businessman, my mother is queen of the house, and we are 2 siblings. Let's talk my positive points. I can adjust myself in any condition. I am physically fit and mentally strong. My hobbies are playing cricket and appreciating music, and I want to earn airman because this is the source of total devotion, dedication, sacrifice, honor, and discipline, and also great opportunity to serve our country. And that's all about me. We here discuss on the topic drone technology. Drones are a machine and which is controlled by the man and with a remote and mobile. Drones are used in many sectors like defense sector. It is used monitor the terror activities, and Jammu and Kashmir has the proper terrorism attack area, so the drone are used there. This is used by the many food companies like the Swiggy, Zomato, and other food companies has used drones to. Thanks. I will discuss further on GD.
देखिए, प्रेम कुशवाहा, बिल्कुल भी रुक के मत बोलिए, थोड़ा सा इसको फ्लुएंटली करने की कोशिश कीजिए. बाकी सब कुछ अच्छा है. ओके. नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट, प्रेम चौधरी.
Jai Hind sir and Jai Hind dear all. I am Prem Chaudhary. I belong to Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my educational qualification, I completed my 12th from UP board. Now I mention my family. There are 5 members in my family. My parents and 3 siblings. After wrapping the paragraph, I want to say that drone technology is a technology based on artificial intelligence. It is being used in many sectors. In defense sector, the role of drone technology has increased day by day. Today we are able to monitor the situation carefully along the border with the help of drones. It is being used to keep watch the terrorist activity, especially in Jammu and Kashmir. Drone is used in farming for spray medicine and fertilizers. The police also use the drone to stop violence. It is used by many companies to transfer goods like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Drone are used in the marriage party and birthday party and rally, etc. It is cost effective.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट, अंजलि कुंतल. Okay, next candidate, Salini Moriye.
Jain sir and Jai Hind everyone. I am Salini Moore. I hail from the homeland of a great warrior, Babu Veer Kaur Singh, at Jagdishpur, Hosur, Bihar. I have completed my 12th in 2023 with 89% marks from SD Jain College, Ara, and currently I am pursuing my graduation from Maharaja College, a branch of Veer Kaur Singh University. There are 5 members in my family. My father is in transportation business, and my mother is dedicated homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is one of the most effective job in India, and at the same time, it enhances many career opportunities at very low age, and to serve the nation as well. That's all about me. Now moving to the topic that is assigned to us: drone technology. Drone technology is a flying device based on the AI technology. It is also known as unmanned aerial vehicle that is controlled by the remote or computer. It was introduced in 1849, but at the initial stage it was generally used for the military purposes. But nowadays drone are very useful in many sectors such as agriculture sector, photography, and in transporting goods from one place to another. There are different consequences of drone technology that we will further discuss in
Okay,
our GD part.
next
Thank
candidate,
you.
Anjali Kuntal.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Anjali Kuntal. I belong to Mathura located in UP. I have completed higher secondary with PCM from UP board. I have got good academic record 10th as well as 12th standard. Now I am pursuing BA from Bhimrao Medical University. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. That's all about me. Dear friends, we are here to discuss about the topic drone technology. In my opinion, drone technology is based on artificial intelligence. It is being used in many sectors. The defense sector drone has increased. Today we are able to the situation carefully along the border with the help of drone. It is being used in many test activities, especially like Jammu Kashmir. It is being used in many farming for spraying medicines and fertilizer, agriculture, etc. Drones are used in many sectors like marriage parties, seminar parties, etc. It is cost effective, and it is being the used many sectors and many companies like goods like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Mantra, etc. It helps in doing things and faster and convenient way. So, like some major drawbacks, it leads to unemployment. It is harmful for worldwide sometimes. If it gets out of control,
Okay,
it
next
can
candidate,
promote disaster.
Pooja.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Pooja Kumari. I belong to Rajasthan, which is famous for its historical places. I have completed my schooling in 2022. Currently, I am pursuing graduation. My hobby is to play Kho-Kho. I am physically fit and mentally sound. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because I am very much inspired by squad leader Ani Chaturvedi ma'am, and at the same time, it's provide opportunity to start the career and serve the nation in very low age. Now come to this topic. This topic is drone technology. Drone technology is totally based in artificial intelligence, and drone technology is a flying device. It's was controlled by remote and smartphones, and it was started in earlier in 1849, and it is also for human make many sectors like medical provide, food provide, and photography, and it is also to reduce workload in human, and also some positive and negative effect we can discuss in our GD part.
Okay, next candidate, Aditya Kumar. Aditya Kumar. Aditya Singh. Sorry, Aditya Singh. Aditya Singh.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Aditya Singh. I belong to Devadiya, Uttar Pradesh. My father name is Shivji Singh, he is a farmer. I passed my 12th in 2021 from UP board and currently pursuing my graduation from JS University. My hobbies are doing physical activity, traveling and cooking. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives us a disciplined and adventurous life and also give the social respect. And now we are discuss about the topic drone technology. Basically, drones is a type of flying device in which include 4 heavy-speed motors and 1 heavy megapixels cameras for recording and capturing the video. And drone technology used in many sectors, like if we talk about the marriage systems, it also used for recording the video of aerial shot. And if we talk about the one examples of drone technology, it is also used for delivering the medicines and items in COVID-19. And one major positive points of drone technology is that it reduce and save the times of humans. And before sometimes when the drone technology not develop, many pictures making persons for taking aerial shot used crane, and the cameraman kept on the top of the cranes. And many times when he take the shot of the cameras, he fell down suddenly, and suddenly he got a death. So drone technology is very useful for aerial shot and save the time of humans.
Okay, next candidate Nirbhay Kumar.
Hello everyone, my name is Nirbhay Pratap Singh. I had completed my intermediate in 2022. I belong to Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have 4 members in my family. Me, my father, mother, and my elder brother. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is one of the way to serve our country, and also it is my dream to join Indian Air Force. Let's come to the topic, which is technology. An unmanned aerial vehicle, commonly known as a drone. It is an aircraft without any human pilot. It is controlled through the remote and other AI technologies. Drones were usually developed through the 20th century for military missions too, and by the 21st, they had become essential asset through the military. The drones are also used in the corporate sector for the delivering product like medicine and other food products. Thank you.
निर्भय, आप अपने थोड़ा तो एक सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन पे ध्यान दीजिए और एक अपने अबाउट द टॉपिक पे ध्यान दीजिए। आप रुक के बोल रहे हैं, क्यों आप स्टक हो रहे हैं इतना, और आप नर्वस क्यों होते हैं? आराम से, आप ही के दोस्त हैं, उनके साथ आपको डिस्कशन करना है, तो इसके अंदर नर्वस होने की बात कहाँ से आ गई? तो इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा फोकस कीजिए, और जो अपने टॉपिक हो चुके हैं उनकी भी आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए। नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट मोहित कुंतल। मोहित कुंतल गया, कोई दिक्कत। नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट जॉन बनेगा डॉन।
Jain friend, my name is Aman. I am from Jhunjhunu, which is located in Rajasthan. I done my 10th and 12th from RBC board. I have basic knowledge of computer. My father, Mr. Naz Singh, a farmer, and my mother, Mrs. Kamala, is a perfect homemaker. I like to play outdoor game like Kho and also solo quizzes. That's all about my introduction. Now I come to today's topic. In my point of view, today's topic related to drone technology. Drone invented by digital technology in the year of 1849, and drone called as a air vehicles. And the main use of drone is in agricultural sector and industrial sector, and the major use of this drone is in military, and we can control it easily by using mobile phones and remotes. And the main role of drone in is a difficult situation like natural disaster, mountain hill areas, and immediate first aid medical help. And drone also save many life in wartime. But also some disadvantage of this: drone replace many jobs like in security sector. because this is cost saving, and sometimes they will be collabed with aeroplanes and make difficult situation. Thank you.
कि मेरे अकॉर्डिंग सभी कैंडिडेट का जो सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक है वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है। अभी हम लोग अपनी जो डिस्कशन है पार्ट है उसकी तरफ मूव करेंगे। ओके,
हेलो सर, मेरा नहीं हुआ।
प्रकाश, अगर आपका नहीं हुआ है तो 37 मिनट हो चुके हैं सेशन ज्वाइन हुए, आपने ज्वाइन क्यों नहीं किया? टाइमिंग क्या आपको पता नहीं है? ग्रुप के अंदर आप ऐड है, फिर भी आप लोग टाइम पे नहीं आते हैं।
टाइमिंग
37 मिनट हो चुके हैं, टाइमिंग क्यों नहीं पता? ग्रुप में आप ऐड नहीं हो?
ऐड तो है,
फिर टाइमिंग का क्यों पता नहीं है? फोकस करो, अगर अभी कंटिन्यू कीजिए और कल से टाइम पे अगर डिस्कशन
यही
करना
है
है
क्या
टाइम पे
टाइमिंग?
आना।
यही टाइमिंग है क्या?
हाँ, टाइमिंग यही है 2 बजे से।
ओके,
अभी कंटिन्यू कीजिए। कंटिन्यू करो अभी सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक के साथ में।
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Prakash Parikh. I am from Churu in Rajasthan. I have completed my class 12th with 90% in Rajasthan board. Now I am pursuing my Bachelor of Science in Mathematics. We are 6 members in our family. My father, Mr. Sonlal Parikh, is a farmer, and my mother, Mrs. Sunita Devi, is a homemaker. My hobby is play to outdoor and indoor games, and I am interested to interact with new peoples. And I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a golden opportunity to serve the nation in young age with fulfill my financial need. Now I am going to present my point of view on the given topic is drone technology. Drone technology is a very cost effective technology, and it is used for every sector like like defense, photography, and also in home delivery. Many companies like Zomato, Swiggy, etc. use for deliver food in just a minute with the drone technology. Thanks.
हेलो, अभी और कोई कैंडिडेट है जिसका सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं हुआ है और वो भी लेट ज्वाइन हुआ है? हाँ, तो अभी आपको भी तो टाइमिंग का पता नहीं है। और कौन कैंडिडेट बोल रहा है? और कोई है कैंडिडेट ऐसा?
सर, मेरा सेल्फ इंट्रो ठीक था क्या?
लास्ट में पता चल जाएगा। अभी ठीक है सब कुछ आज के लिए आपका, कल आप टाइम पे आना, कल आपको बताएंगे। ओके
ओके,
तो अभी हम अपने डिस्कशन पार्ट को स्टार्ट करते हैं फिर। तो देखिए, जो आज का अपना टॉपिक है ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी, उसके बारे में मैंने जो इंस्ट्रक्शन आपको दिए थे उनको आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि जब आप 2 बार पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं तो उसके बीच में 3 कैंडिडेट का गैप होना चाहिए। मतलब क्या है कि आपने एक बार पार्टिसिपेट किया, उसके बाद में 3 या 4 कैंडिडेट और बोलेंगे, उसके बाद में आप पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे। ओके, और एक बार सभी को पार्टिसिपेट करना जरूरी है। तो सभी अपना ये नहीं कि मुझे बैठे रहना है, मैं लास्ट के अंदर पार्टिसिपेट करूंगा। सभी पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे, कोई फिश मार्केट नहीं बनाएगा। अगर फिश मार्केट बनाएगा तो मैं उसको परमानेंटली म्यूट कर दूंगा पूरे सेशन के लिए। ओके, नाउ निशु यादव, स्टार्ट द डिस्कशन पार्ट।
Thank you, sir, to give me this opportunity to initiate the topic. So, in my opinion, drones are also known as the unmanned aerial vehicle. We all know that in this time the drones are becoming the part of the people's life, because we all know that in the every sector, like in agriculture and defense sector, we are using more and more drones to increase our to increase the work. We all know that is replace the humans from their works also. So in revolutionary various industries, they offer enhance efficiently, improve safety measures and cost saving. Drones have expanded applications in photography and videography also. So many times you can watch the many example of drones also. Thank you.
Yes, gentlemen, I agree with you. In defense sector,
To add my
drones play
points that
an important role to monitor the situation across the border. And use of drone, we can see many illegal activities on the border. Many companies like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. use of drone to transfer the goods. In COVID-19, drone play an important role. Like many people also use of drone to transform the good each other.
Yes, my
Okay, my
dear
dear.
friend.
I
Drone,
also agree with you. In
drone
my
techno
opinion, drone technology is an unpiloted
Regarding
aircraft
the drone of
vehicle.
main party etc. And friends, as we know that the terrorist can be also use the drone of the terrorist attack or illegal activities. And friends, as we know that the many people use drone in marriage party and birthday party and etc. The drone is very beneficial for our spray fertilizer and spray medicines etc.
Drone technology
You
is
are
very
right
important
to
also used in our
continue
daily life.
discussion. I
Government
want to say
sectors
something.
have
Drone
every
technology is good for in a human's life, and also make easier for humans life. And it is also called the unmanned aerial vehicles. And drone system also help to where place people not go to religions area, and also provide to food medicine in remote areas.
Friends, I'm also agree with you. Drone is
And
unpiloted
I
air
want to add a
vehicle.
point here
This
that
is not
that
this
there
is
are many
meant for
that there is a
every
beneficiary
Drone is
of drone
unpiloted
technology. For
air.
example,
The technology used in many sectors,
Where to
like
the
if we talk
management of
about
time
an
to
example of drone technology, where fire brigaders waters cannot reach, there's a drone technology by the help of water flow to the fires for out the fires, and it is used in heavy buildings where fires waters cannot reach easily.
Yes, my dear friend, drone technology also helpful for in defense sector. Our army use the drone technology to search the terrorist. Thanks.
My dear
Okay,
friend,
my
in
dear
I
friend.
agree with you,
1849,
friend.
the
Also
Drake
use a
family
drone.
as
Drone can use for the
you
food
all know that
deliver
it
at a
comes
time
it is
during
used
the
in defense sector.
natural calamity as like flood and all, and they can decrease the workload for humans, such as a drone can work easily, monotonous work by done easily, and drone accessible in accessible places, such as many times human cannot accessible for the example of hills, and they provide medicine. Thank you.
That as we
The
know
network
that
are
drones
also
are
used in many
targeted
places, like the police officers also use the drones because the police has
drone
not available
technology.
in every places. So the police officers use drones in the street to see the illegal activities in the street.
And drone technology used marriage parties and seminars, and drone technology reduce the manpower and drone. When we talk about the defense
Drone
sector,
plus
drone system can
telescope.
be used as the symmetric weapon against the terror activities. We all know that when we talk about the defense sector, like it should be implemented in defense sector. So, like in sufficient area, in the our reaching areas, then there are any terror activities happen. That time we can use the drone
एक एक
technology.
करके बोलो कि कोई समझ में आए। मैंने आप लोगों को बोल दिया कि जो केवल बोल रहा है उसी का माइक अनम्यूट होना चाहिए, बाकी सभी का जो माइक है वो म्यूट होना चाहिए। समझ में नहीं आ रहा, 3-3 कैंडिडेट के साथ में नाम आ रहे हैं, पता ही नहीं चलता कि कौन बोल रहा है। ध्यान रखो इस चीज का। फिर आप लोग बोलोगे कि सर मैंने 3 बार पार्टिसिपेट किया, मैंने 1 बार ही किया, तो आपको ही दिक्कत होने वाली है। कंटिन्यू अगेन।
I agree with your points, but in my opinion, drone technology is used. Privacy, safety, and regularity compliance are important issues in drone technology, and drone technology reduce workload. Thank you.
Yes,
And I want to add a point here that there is no doubt that drone technology is very beneficial in many sectors, but there are also some disadvantages of drone technology. For example, it is prone to hacking, and there are some antisocial activities that is done by the use of drone technologies.
Yes,
My
I'm
dear
also
friend,
agree
I
with
am
you. In my
also agree
opinion,
with you.
drone
Many
technology
times
is a
drone
technology
technology
based on
also used
artificial
in
intelligence. Drone technology is an unpiloted air vehicle and is an unmanned air vehicle UVS. Drone technology has invented 1849 Abraham A. Lincoln. So this is a good step for a developing nation.
Yes,
For
the
a
many of
developing nation.
Yes, so
So
friend,
in defense
drone
sector, the
plus telescope.
drone has increased in
as
terrorist. Let me complete first. Drone are
अरे
used
यार
in marriage
समझ जाओ,
parties,
क्यों
seminars,
फालतू के अंदर
etc.
परेशान कर रहे हो। एक बार बोलने पे समझ में नहीं आता क्या आप
It
लोगों
is
को?
cost effective. So this is a good. Drone technology have used many sectors like defense sector role has increased. The military training should be provide many facilities to drone are good.
Yes, I
Drone
agree.
technology only can
We
run
open
by
free
the
use of
expert
drone in marriage,
person,
party, political
and
rally,
if
etc.
drone
Police can
not
also
run
use
by the
of drone
expert person,
to
it
stop
can harm
violence,
anyone.
and farmer
And
also
if we talk
use
about
of
the
drone to
example
spray
of marriage,
medicine.
many persons used for recording the video, and the persons are not expert for run the drones, and it can harm anyone, and it produces sound very much and disturbs the audience.
So, friend,
Yes,
drone replace
The
telescope
drones
because in
uses
present time, modern technology will be used, and the range of drone is more than telescope, and also it is used for transportation. Also, because in some of hilly and mountain areas, people are not able to go there. Thank you.
But
Yes,
my
gentlemen,
dear
I am
friend, many
agree
times
with
drone
you.
technology
We
use
use of
of
drone
terrorists
in
in many
marriage, party,
terrorist
political
activities. It
rally,
is very
etc.
harmful for the
Police can
humanity.
also use of drone to stop violence. Farmer also use of drone to spray medicine and fertilizer. In many disaster case, we can use of drone to rescue the people and save the life. And the in defense sector, we use of drone to damage the enemy center, and we can save the life of our soldier.
Yes, my
Yes,
dear
at
friend,
the
many times drone
using many
technology used in many terrorist
friends as you
activities,
that
it is
drone
very
technology used
harmful
in
for
many sectors of the
humanity. After drone technology,
technology
it is very
very
difficult
very
to catch the terrorist because we use also use drone technology in terrorist activities. So it is very challenging situation for our army.
yes,
Yes,
brother.
you are
Drone.
right to continue discussion. I want to say something. Drone technology is also used in defense and agriculture sectors, and many rescue teams and defense also use for a drone in the search for a terrorist, and also use for search for people in save other people. And we can use in agriculture in after a drone are coming, farmer are happy for because easier the farming. And after some time ago, the very high cost of drone technology, but at present we can cost effective for drone technology, so it's use marriage seminar and many more.
My dear friend, I
As in
agree with you. I would like to
1849,
mention one more point. Friends, we all know that
To
every
stop
coin
the
has two
violence
sides.
and rights, and farmer and drone technology used in farming for spraying fertilizers and medicines, and drone technology used at marriage parties and seminars, and it is a help doing things faster and easier. It reduces manpower.
I totally
as
agree with you.
1849, the drone is
I would like to
firstly
add
used
some new
by the
points.
military for
drone
defense
technology
purpose.
used
Like
for
the
basic
drone
But
technology
later,
have
friends have been noted that
the
many
drone,
and
but
friends
the
as we know
later
that the
the drone
drones
is used by
are
the general public for their personal interest. In many sectors nowadays, the drone is used for reducing the human load, and also many sectors such as in industries, in agriculture fields, in defense, eh, delivery partners can also use drones for providing their services, and also reduce the human load and workload of human can where is decreased by the drones. By using drones, we can supply medicines, food, and also spreading seeds in agriculture, and, and many industries. The heavy works was also done by the industry by the drones. And
drones are
Yes,
Yes,
used
friend.
dear
Yes,
friends.
present time use of
My
drone
friend,
increasing. We use medicine system and etc. And emergency situation like medicine and natural disaster. We serve people and save people's life by serving food them etc. And we reduce terrorism system like forest there people not be entered. We by using drones.
We know
drones are
that every coin
Technology has
has
been
its two
very
Point here
sides.
that
helpful
So
for this time of humans. And if we talk
drones
an example of Uri movies, one drone technology based eagles, which is used for tracking and capturing and monitoring the crime of terrorist activity. And if we talk about the drone technology, it also produce the employment to the peoples.
Drones are
Friend, I agree to you,
used
and
because there are some disadvantage also. It leads to unemployment and it reduces the manpower. It harmful for wildlife and many terrorists misuse of drone for our soldiers and they attack to damage the bunkers.
Drone
As drones
technology is
can
a
save
technology
lives
based on
by
artificial
rescuing.
intelligence. Let me complete first. Drones are usually controlled by a remote unit. They are equipped with sensors like other technology cameras etc. Drone used for various cameras purpose like as monitoring climate change, photography, delivery goods etc. The police also uses as drone
Consider
technology.
to my dear friends, I would like to
As
put
drone
some points
technology
here.
are important
Friends,
as in our lives in our nation. Thank you.
Yes, you are right. Drones are used in the
Like we have seen that the youth is used to make
also drones are used in the photography and videography. It is used control through the remote or other AI technologies. Many companies use drone technologies for their comfort and save the time.
yes, friend, I totally agree to you, and want to add a point here that that as many candidates say that there are
let me note a controller tank device which can be controlled using a remote on a smartphone. Drone are also control the unmanned achieve vehicles. And friends, as we know that they can decrease the work for humans by taking care of monotonous tasks for the such delivery goods, sewing sheets, etc. Drones are very much beneficial in replacing humans for working in dangerous places such as mining. Drones are being used in a military purpose. They can provide to such the loss of living at the time of war by replacing humans. Thank you.
You
Yes,
are
my
right.
friend, drone
Drone
are using
technology
in
is also used
rescue
in
operation
company.
because in
Company is
natural
used
disaster we
for
are not able
provide
to find all of the
one
people.
place
So
one place to another place in provide is company is using, and also help for military purpose. But I want to say something in disadvantage for drone system is also people's make lazy because many people is also any work in uses drone system, and drone system is also easily hacking.
Okay, my dear friends, I would also like to add here some new points in our group discussion and in the favor of disadvantage of drone technology, which is introduced in the our present era as a present society. My dear friends, it is not able to the all of the citizens and all of the people to handle the and activate the drone technology machine due to the high knowledge and high skill is also necessary and confirmation for the people. And second thing is that drone technology is not proper work in the like any types of situation in like in the worst weather and the bad weather atmosphere. So we can't compare the drone technology with the human beings because that of the human beings are able to do something that the machine is not able to do any of the thing because this is also made and prepared by the human beings.
yes, my friend, sometimes
friends, as many of them are foreign participants, say that
Uses in
there is
our
many
life. Drone
advantage
technology is
of
the
drone
greatest.
technologies in
because change of I'm very fast.
As drones can save lives by rescuing pupils in the very flooded areas where the rescue team cannot go and rescue them. The drone can help them to provide food, water, and some basic requirements that we are needed, such as medicines and food and water that can rescue the people for some time. So when the rescue team captured him, before them, they can survive these type of situations. And also in very major disasters jobs like mining, the drones can be replaced by the humans for mining, that can reduce the human casualties. As
I totally agree to you, gentlemen, and I want to add a point here that as many our
Drones
former
are used
participants say
more
that
most
that drone technology is very beneficial in such sectors like in defense sector and in agriculture. For example, in defense sector, drone technology is used to rescue and search the rescue teams in in those areas where the reach of military corps are very risky to their lives. But on the other hand, if we can see that the excessive use of drone and in advanced technology, it can must be harmful for us. For example, I want to put here an example of USA, because USA uses a drone in their defense sector. Once a commander asked its drone to kill all to kill its all threat, but as a result the drone technology killed its own commander, because the commander was restricting it to complete its task. So it can also be said that we should not use it in an excessive manner.
Okay, friends, I agree with you, but there is some advantage of drone technology. Like we have seen, our youth is use drone technology to make Insta reels and YouTube shorts. So he is earning money to buy the drone technology. So it is the advantage of drone technology.
Yes, my dear friend,
In my
drone
opinion,
technology
drone
being
technology
used
based on
in
artificial
farming for the
intelligence, it
spreading
is most useful for defense sectors like many test activities, especially in Jammu Kashmir. So this is the better one for drone technology. Drone technology are used in farming for spraying fertilizer, medicine, and better for agriculture, etc. Drone is an unpiloted air vehicle and unmanned air vehicle. This is better meant for military training or for defense sector is most useful. A drone. Drone is being used in many parties and seminars, etc. It is better for these people. There like some major drawbacks, it leads to unemployment. It is harmful for most useful. It is harmful for they they cannot control easily. So this is a no this is a not good. So this is a major some drawbacks.
Yes, my dear friends, drone technology also used in being used for farming to for spread fertilizer and medicine. The police also use drone technology to stop the crime, and is used by many competition exam to security purpose.
Okay, my dear friends, I would also like to add here some new thing in our group discussion. The invention of drone technology had also some advantage, and no doubt. But my dear friends, I recently see in the Air Force station that drone technology is a highly hacking process. We all know that due to the law, a very low quality of CCTV cameras and also the cameras, high fear of hacking of this type of activities. So drone technology is also useful, but in the some negative sense can be happen.
As as our candidate ask the demerits of the drones. Yes, you are right, but this is not for the purpose of like hackings. There are many another works for the drone to done. As in summer, there is a temperature of 50 to 55 degree in the areas of Rajasthan, west side of Rajasthan. There are tremendous and very hateful environment, so that we recently news we read many army officers can faded or also die by the heat. in this in this we can replace the our officers by the drones to surveillance the area for the security purpose. This can be very beneficial for us and also for our defense to 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 secure our army officers safely.
Drone technology developed so much at these times, and if we talk an example of drone car in which we can easily sit and we can
आदित्य
go
सिंह,
anywhere by the help of remote control.
मैंने आप लोगों को बोला था
Okay.
स्टार्टिंग के अंदर कि जो कैंडिडेट 3 बार पार्टिसिपेट कर लेता है वो आगे नहीं करेगा। ग्रुप के अंदर सेंड भी किया है। फिर भी आप लोगों का अगर 3 बार हो चुका है तो आप क्यों पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो? बाकी के कैंडिडेट भी तो हैं, उनको भी तो पार्टिसिपेट करने दो।
जीडी टाइम तो हो गया है ना, 20 मिनट से ऊपर हो गया।
अरे तो जीडी टाइम तो हो गया 20 मिनट से ऊपर, लेकिन बाकी के कैंडिडेट को भी तो पार्टिसिपेट करने दो। वो भी तो है ना जीडी टाइम के लिए। अगर आपका हो
आपसे
गया तो हाँ ठीक है, यही थोड़ी होता है
एक
फिर।
चीज पूछनी थी जो
हाँ
पॉइंट
बोलिए।
रिपीटेड हो जाते हैं तो क्या वो पॉइंट भी दोबारा बोल सकते हैं?
रिपीटेड पॉइंट आप बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन उसका टाइमिंग होना चाहिए। आप अगर बैक टू बैक रिपीट पॉइंट कर रहे हैं तो उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं है।
क्योंकि यहाँ
और
पर
अगर
तो
आप
सब रिपीटेड
देखो,
बोल रहे हैं वही।
अगर आप रिपीटेड पॉइंट नहीं करोगे तो लिमिटेड पॉइंट्स हैं। टॉपिक के ऊपर क्या है, लिमिटेड पॉइंट है, तो वो 10 मिनट के अंदर आपका डिस्कशन कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। ये बात है। आप रिपीटेड पॉइंट के साथ कर सकते हो ताकि आपके जो एक्सप्रेशन है वो खुल जाए। यहाँ पे डिस्कशन का मतलब ये है कि आप लोग बोलना सीख जाएं, लेकिन आप उस चीज को मानते ही नहीं है। जो आपको बताया जा रहा है आप उसको फॉलो ही नहीं कर रहे हैं। एक अपना हो गया तो हाँ ठीक है, मुझे तो बकवास करनी है, मैंने जो पैसेज पढ़ा है आज या मेरे सामने जो पैसेज लिखा हुआ है वो तो मुझे पूरा पढ़ के सुनाना है। स्टार्टिंग के 3 पॉइंट तो मैंने सुना दिए, बाकी के 5 पॉइंट और बच रहे हैं। सेशन एंड होने से पहले पहले मुझे 5 पॉइंट और सुनाने हैं। ऐसा नहीं होता। इसी को तो बोला जाता है कि आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रहे हैं। अगर आप उनके साथ कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रहे हैं तो किसके साथ करेंगे? ऐसा ही अगर आप जीडी के अंदर करेंगे तो आपको बाहर का जो फेलियर है उसका सामना करना पड़ेगा और बाहर आना पड़ेगा। मुंह लटका के आ जाओगे, फिर बोलोगे कि सर हम लोग तो बहुत अच्छा बोलते थे फिर भी आउट हो गए। तो यही हरकतें होती हैं जिनकी वजह से आप लोग वहां पे जाके आउट होते हैं। कंटिन्यू अगेन।
As drones also have many disadvantages like reducing manpower and also can be hacked, but expensive to operate for small businesses. Another potential drawback of drone is flying time of most drones. Most of the drones can fly only 15 to 13 minutes.
Dear friend, as we know that every coin has two sides, so drones technology has merits and demerits. If we talk about merits, so drones technology saving lives, and if we talk about demerit, it leads to unemployment.
Okay, friend.
Yes,
Drones
my
are
friend,
also
this is
used
state
in
man role
some
in
wars,
emergency
like we have seen the Russia-Ukraine war and the Israel wars. He used to drone to detect the soldier activities.
I
अरे
agree with your friend.
जिनको बोल दिया कि भाई 3 बार हो चुका है वो कंटिन्यू मत करो। आपको पता है कि मेरा 3 बार हो चुका है, 4 बार हो चुका है, तो आप क्यों कंटिन्यू कर रहे हो? बाद में और भी तो है ना, उनको भी तो कंटिन्यू करने दो। एक बार मैं आपको एक अलग से टाइम दे दूंगा बोलने के लिए। एक बार मैं रिजल्ट बना रहा हूं तो मेरे पास 3 कैंडिडेट के 3 पार्टिसिपेशन होने चाहिए प्रत्येक कैंडिडेट का। ओके, कंटिन्यू अगेन रवि।
I agree with your friend. Drone technology is also used for defense sector, like 6 NATO country who which are neighbor of Russia, who it create a drone wall to defend our country from Russia and other external countries.
So, friend, this is state man role in emergency case facilities like in heavy traffic, and drone also help police to find the thief. And the major role which is played by the drone is in Jammu Kashmir, because in drone technology, soldier not mandatory that go and check every street. With the help of drone, they can check easily at the same position.
Drones are also used in wars, like we have seen the Russia-Ukraine war. The both countries has used to drone to detect the soldier activities and also.
अरे पागल समझ रखा है या मुझे पागल समझ रहा है या आप लोग पागल हो? अभी जस्ट आपको बोला कि आपको पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करना है, फिर से पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो। सर मैंने 2 बार बोला है, मैंने यहाँ पे 3 बार तो आपका जो रिजल्ट है वो बना रखा है, 2 बार मैंने आपको रोक दिया, 5 बार हो चुका है, फिर भी आप पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो। कंटिन्यू अगेन कैंडिडेट्स।
Okay, I would like to add here some points in our GD that as our previous speaker mentioned here, the drone technology also leads to the unemployment, and it is totally as a right point here. I would like to explain that many of the person and security guard were just doing the duty and secure in the night, But my dear friends, due to the invention of drone technology, as inside the factory or industry, there are no needs of any type of security person. That's why here unemployment is increased in our country. So it can be also go in negative sense the invention of drone technology in our country, but also the whole world.
Yes, brother, drones have definitely many disadvantages. Like we should focus on the advantages of drones. Drones are used in the most of the military missions, and also drones are used in the photography and videography. It is controlled through the remote or other AI technologies. Many companies use drone technology for their comfort and save the time.
I agree with you, and I would like to a new point. Drones are used in marriage parties, seminar rules. It is cost effective, and terrorists can also use drones for terror attacks for illegal activities, and the police also use drone to stop violence.
I agree with your friend. Drone is also help in the medical sector. If we talk about the drone in the emergency case, in the emergency cases, the drone with the help of drone we can send the medicine.
देखिए अभी मैं